नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Hello students, we are going to continue with the 10th part of trigonometry, 10th standard for SSC Maharashtra board. It is the topic of maths 2 geometry, and we are already on the problem set 6, and fifth question, prove the following. First 5 questions, sub questions we are already finished. Now we are going to do next 5 questions in this part. Now, sixth question, you see, 1 upon 1 minus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sine theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. The sixth question, 1 upon 1 minus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sine theta, we have to prove it is 2 sec square theta. So we have to prove that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we are going to write proof 1 upon 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta. This left hand side we are going to prove. For this, if you see the sign in between these two terms is plus and denominator is not same. So as the denominator is not same, means we are going to make the denominator same by cross multiplication. So 1 into 1 plus sine theta plus 1 into 1 minus sine theta upon, we can write 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta. That is equal to. Now, if you multiply, if you open the bracket, this will become 1 plus sine theta plus 1 and plus this, it will remain as it is, 1 minus sine theta. But it is a minus b into a plus b will become 1 square minus sine theta the whole square. Means there is a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. And in numerator we have just solved the brackets. So it is plus sine theta minus sine theta. I think this will get cancelled. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 ka square is 1 and I can write sine square theta. So, 1 minus sine square theta, we are having one formula. You should know all these formulas, you have to revise every time. And I told you that whatever shortcut I have given, आप लोगों को वो एग्जाम के लास्ट पेज पे लिखना है, तब तक तुम इतने फंडामेंटल जैसे परफेक्ट हो जाओगे कि जैसे देखोगे कि ये आया है यू कैन डू इट. ओके, और लिख के रखोगे तो बेटर है. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Reason is since 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. Yeah, 1 sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now you should concentrate over here. Right hand side में concentrate करो. Yeah, sine और cos का relation है, तो we can write 2 into 1 minus cos square theta. That is nothing but 2 sec square theta. Is it right? Reason we are going to write 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. Ulta therefore sign, that is called as since. Hence, what I can write then? Here we can write 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. ये बॉक्स में डालो और यहाँ लिखो hence proved. क्या लिखोगे? Hence proved. So please copy down it properly. It's a very easy question to prove. Okay, but this type of questions you need some practice. प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन को. कॉपी डाउन प्रॉपर्ली. Now, seventh question. This is sec raised to 6x plus minus tan raised to 6x is equal to 1, 3 sec square x minus 10. But you should know the basic formulas of algebra. Then only it is able to possible. So we'll do proof. On the left hand side, sec raised to 6x minus tan raised to 6x is equal to. But formulas, whatever we are having, they are for square, sec square minus tan square, not for raised to 6. तो हम इसको raised to 2 के फॉर्म में डालने का ट्राई करते हैं. That is nothing but sec raised to 2x the whole cube minus tan raised to 2x the whole cube. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. But now in this case आपको एक फॉर्मूला याद रखना है. That formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. ये आप लोगों को याद रखना पड़ेगा. जैसे एक फॉर्मूला है a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, या a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a माइनस b द होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. लास्ट टाइम वी स्टडीड दिस फॉर्मूला. प्लीज इसे थोड़ा सा याद रखना पड़ेगा. Then it is easy, otherwise थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट जाएगा ये क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो प्लीज अगर याद नहीं है तो पूरा याद करो इसको. ओके ओके, नाउ sec square x the whole cube. Now we are going to apply this formula. प्लीज ये फॉर्मूला याद रखना है. So what is a sec square? What is b tan square? So first of all it is sec square x minus tan square x the whole cube plus 3 sec square x into tan square x in bracket sec square x minus tan square x. Now just see, sec square x minus tan square x is nothing but 1 का cube plus 3 sec square x into tan square x into this part is 1 again. The reason is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Means 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So what you are getting now, 1 ka cube is 1, and when you multiply this it will remain as it is. So this is the shortcut way to complete this question. Now we got the left hand side. Therefore what I can write, we can write sec raised to 6x minus tan raised to 6x is equal to 1 plus 3 sec square x tan square x. That you put in a box and you have to write hence proved. And the student, I'll repeat it once again. Sec raised to 6x minus tan raised to 6x. I know that we don't have any formula which is showing in our syllabus. We are showing raised to 6. But we are having a formula of squares. So that's why instead of sec raised to 6x, I have written sec square x the whole cube minus tan square x the whole cube. Now it is the form of a cube minus b cube. And a cube minus b cube के लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. This is a derived formula. It was there in 9th standard. We can apply it. So a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. But again, sec square x minus tan square x is 1. Sec square x minus tan square x is 1. We'll solve and get the answer. But this question need enough practice. You have to buy this formula. ये पूरा याद करके रखना पड़ेगा. Put therefore sin sign and copy down it properly. See the eighth question. What they have given you? Tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 is equal to sec theta. Because sec theta plus 1 है या sec theta minus 1 है. Means yeah, rationalize करेंगे ना तो it will be much better. So what I would write? Proof tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 is equal to tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 sec theta minus 1. Here so you can write sec theta minus 1. Here you can write the reason rationalizing the denominator. So what we are getting now? So we are getting tan theta into sec theta minus 1, but this will become sec theta plus 1 sec theta minus 1 will become sec square theta minus 1 square. Yeah, sec theta the whole square minus 1 square. If you want, right, you can write a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If you want to write, that is again tan theta into sec theta minus 1, and instead of this we can write sec square theta, and 1 ka square is 1 only, but again sec square theta minus 1 we know there is a relation between sec theta minus 1, that is nothing but tan square theta. So tan theta into sec theta minus 1 upon tan square theta. If you want to write, you can write in this way. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Means tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Yeah, same sign. Okay. Here it is into, term is there, into, sign is there. And यहाँ tan theta into tan square theta, तो ये और ये cancel हो जाएगा. And what I'll get? We'll get tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 is equal to sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. That we are going to put in a box and we are going to write hence by doing this one. So if you are not understood it, एक बार वापस रिवाइज करो. You consider these formulas, whatever reasons I have given, and but this type of question need little bit practice. Copy it properly. Okay, we are on the question number 9 now. Question number 9 is tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1 is equal to sec square theta plus tan theta. That we have to prove. Okay, for this proof, what we are going to do is, what they have given to you, tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1. Here, it is tan cube theta minus 1 and here it is tan theta minus 1. But in this case, usually when you are having 1, you try to think that square of 1 is 1, cube of 1 is also 1. So, as it is tan cube theta, I can write this 1 as 1 cube only. Because 1 cube is 1 only. And we are getting tan theta minus 1. Now, you might be knowing the formula of a cube minus b cube. That is nothing but, I'll first write the formula you come to know. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus 1. This is the formula. So same way we are going to write over here. What is that? A is tan cube theta minus 1. So tan theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus 1 into tan theta into 1 plus 1 square upon, we are getting tan theta minus 1. So here you see here, it is tan theta minus 1, tan theta minus 1, these get cancelled. And now what is there with you? That is tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. But we know that if I am taking these together, tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta, इन लोगों में अगर एक साथ ले रहा हूं, तो what will happen now? Tan square theta plus 1. And we know the formula of tan square theta plus 1 is nothing but sec square theta. Therefore, this will become sec square theta plus tan theta. The reason for this is, formula is there, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, what I can write, tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1 is equal to sec, here it is actually tan theta is there, sec square theta plus tan theta. So this is the proof they have asked you. Okay, in this case, this is a very important thing what we did. We have to apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. And instead of tan square theta plus 1, we are going to write what? Sec square theta. These two formulas, if you know, this question is very easy. Please pause the video and copy down it properly. Okay, students, we are on the last question of this proof. This is a little bit different question. See that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. When we are getting this type of questions, I think we did some questions of this type. We are going to apply the formula. तो ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा अलग ढंग से करना है. Now we are going to take the left hand side and we are going to solve it. अभी हम लोगों को ये पार्ट खाली प्रूव करना है. So how we do it? Proof. As we know the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And therefore, what will be cos square theta? Cos square theta will be 1 minus sin square theta. Okay? So, instead of cos square theta, I can write cos theta into cos theta. And 1 की जगह हम लोग 1 square लिखेंगे. और यहाँ लिखेंगे minus sin square theta. Okay? So, therefore, cos theta into cos theta is equal to, here we can apply the formula of a square minus b square. That is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. If you want to write the reason, put ulta therefore, that is since a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, what you are getting is cos theta upon, we want minus cos theta, right? It is. So, we can write 1 upon 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so I can write 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So, I am now, because here what do you want? What do you require? Sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta. Sin theta plus 1 is there, but we require minus cos theta. So, by theorem on equal ratio, now we are going to subtract it. So 1 plus as it is minus cos theta, so what I will do, 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon cos theta plus 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So when we solve this, what we will get 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon cos theta plus 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Okay. Now just see, if you rearrange it properly, we'll get this part. So we'll rearrange it properly. I'll get sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Just we have rearranged it. Here also. I think I have made a mistake over here. It must be minus. So this will become minus and this will become plus. So if I rearrange it, this will become now sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So we got this part now. Which one? This one. So what we are going to do, we are going to now we got this part is okay, but this part we have to convert into this form. So what I will do, we require 1 upon sec theta. And here it becomes tan theta. So sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, cos theta upon cos theta is 1. So what we are going to write, dividing a right hand side to numerator and denominator by cos theta. So what we are getting is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now we are going to divide right hand side only to the denominator as well, denominator by what? Cos theta. So cos theta upon cos theta, and here 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now if you see, if you continue, sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Yeah, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. That I write it once again. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. तो ये आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आ गया. Now see the right hand side. Cos theta, I write it once again. Cos theta upon cos theta, and here it is 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta is there. Correct? So it is the denominator of both. So I am just going to separate it. 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. In this case, this is getting cancelled. So what you are getting is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon 1 upon. It is 1 upon 1 is what? 1 only. 1 upon cos theta is nothing but what? Sec theta. We are going to write sec theta. And sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but what? Tan theta. Here we can write since 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta and sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So this is your final answer. I will write it once again. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. You are going to put in a box and you are going to write hence proved. But ये क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट टाइम इस तरह से किया था और एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. See the question. Sin theta minus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta plus ये प्लस वाला वगैरह रहेगा. तो usually keep in mind that you are going to apply one particular formula as well as you are going to apply theorem on equal ratio. साइन और कॉस के बीच वाला फॉर्मूला कौन सा है? साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. सो व्हाट आई डिड, as I want minus cos theta, मैंने खाली cos theta को यहाँ रख दिया. Cos square theta is equal to what we call 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta into cos theta is what? 1 square. 1 का square 1 ही होता है sin square theta. So cos theta into cos theta is what? A plus b into a minus b means what? 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. I have transferred 1 minus sin theta on that side. So this become 1 upon sin theta. So cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta upon this cos theta is get transferred over here. So what you got now? Now I change the position. Here I keep it at 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta and cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Now we are going to apply the theorem on equal ratio. So what is required? Sin theta plus 1. ये तो है, but मुझे चाहिए minus cos theta. इसलिए मैंने क्या किया? इसको minus कर दिया. तो cos theta upon minus 1 minus sin theta cos theta, and this will remain as it is, cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Hope that you know the theorem on equal ratio. Last day जो मैंने पढ़ा था वो याद है तुम लोग को. Okay, and then once you got this cos theta 1 minus sin theta, but on I got the left hand side but I require right hand side. तो right hand में यहाँ 1 चाहिए था. तो cos theta को 1 करने के लिए divide by cos theta. Here also sec theta 1 upon cos theta is sec theta and sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. That's why I divided only right hand side to the numerator as well as denominator by what? Cos theta. So cos theta upon cos theta 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So cos theta get cancelled, we got 1 and I have separated it. 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta is nothing but sec theta and sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but tan theta. The students see how to ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा आपको रिटर्न प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी तभी आएगा. तो you have to practice at least 2 to 3 times. If you are not understood it properly, ये वीडियो को वापस एक बार रिवाइंड करके अच्छी तरह से देख लो और copy down it immediately. Okay, तो copy down it properly and practice on the spot 2 to 3 times. Then this will become easy. So student, we are going to stop here for the 10th part of trigonometry and some word problems are left that will continue in a next part of trigonometry. Copy down it properly and thank you students.